Hello, welcome to Unit 5 Review Test, page 236, numbers 16 through 18. Number 16, select each quotient equal to 28 hundredths. Mark all that apply. So 2 and 8 tenths divided by 10 to the second power. The second power means 10 multiplied by 10, or basically dividing by 10 and then dividing by 10 again, which means the 2 reminds me, my little shortcut is I'm shifting each digit twice to the right, or my decimal twice to the left. 2 places would make 28 thousandths, not 28 hundredths. 28 divided by 10 to the third power. 10 to the third power means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, or basically dividing by 10 3 times, or shifting each digit 3 places to the right, or my decimal point 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. That again gives me 28 thousandths, not 28 hundredths. 280 divided by 10 to the third power means to shift each digit 3 places to the right, or my decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3 puts it there. 280 thousandths is equivalent to 28 hundredths. So C is a correct answer. D, 2 and 8 tenths divided by 10 to the first power. 10 to the first power is just 10. That means shifting each digit 1 place to the right, or my decimal once to the left, gives me 28 hundredths. So D is a correct answer. 28 divided by 10 to the first. Again, 10 to the first is 10. Dividing by 10 means to shift the digits 1 place to the right, or the decimal once to the left. That's 2 and 8 tenths, not 28 hundredths. So the correct answer should be C and D. Number 17. Lunch for the band cost $137.20. The band has 56 members. How much does each member's lunch cost? So all together, the lunches cost $137.20. If I need to figure out how much each of 57 equal lunches would be, now I'm not going to break this all into 57. I'm just going to know that there's 56 of these, and I want to know how much each member's lunch, I'm going to put M for members, lunch cost. Well, that's going to be 137 and 20 hundredths divided by my 57 equal groups. So I did that ahead of time, so you don't have to watch me try and draw. 137 and 20 hundredths divided by 56. There was no 56 in 1 or 13, but in 137 there are 2 of them. 256 gave me 112. So when I used 112 for those 256, I had 25 left. I brought down my 2 tenths. 25 and 2 tenths divided by 56. Well, there are 4 56s in 252, so there's about 4 tenths of a 56, and 25 and 2 tenths. 4 tenths multiplied by 56 is 22 and 4 tenths. 25 and 2 tenths, subtract 22 and 4 tenths are 2 and 8 tenths, and I brought down my 0. I believe there's 5 hundredths of 56 in 280, and when I went 5 hundredths multiplied by 56, I got 2 and 80 hundredths. When I subtracted, I had nothing left. So my quotient is 2 and 45 hundredths, and my answer is, how much does each member's lunch cost? $2. 18. Marco got a quotient of 70 when he divided 49 by 7 hundredths. What is the correct answer to this problem? So I thought about it and I thought, well, 49 divided by 7 hundredths is equal to 4,900 divided by 7. I just multiplied them both by 100, and that is 700. So to answer that question, I said the correct quotient is 700. So what mistake did Marco make? So I looked, well, he only came up with 70. So, well, 490 divided by 7 is 70. So I figured he must have multiplied his divisor 7 hundredths by 100, but only multiplied his dividend 49 by 10. So here's how I wrote it up. Marco shifted the digits in the divisor 2 places to the right to make it 7, but only shifted the digits in the dividend 1 place to make the right, or 2 places to the right, it should say, making it 490, because 490 divided by 7 equals 70. So that's what I went with. Again, you can always find the target goals on the first page that I did for this.